In this lesson, I will show you how to create a tab inside this file menu, also inside that new tab, how to create a group, also inside that group, how to put your tool, customize tool. So first I will right click anywhere here, go to customize. From here, if I want to create any tab, I have to go to this tab or bars tab. From here, I will go to new, and from here, I will put my new tab name. I can create from here or I will cancel it, and I have to go to customize, and from here when I will go to this customize, when I will open my customize window, this plus icon will show. So I will select this plus icon, and from here I will put one name for this tab. I want to give access to full application, so everything is okay, so I will press OK. Now this is my new tab I added. Now inside this tab I have to put at least one or two group, or if I want I can put any tool inside this. So I will randomly add few tool here. I just wanted to show you how can you make a tab and how can you make a group, everything. So I added total 6 tools. Now I will create a new group. So I will select a new item, then I will drag and drop new group here. This time I will just drag these 3 tools inside this group. Then I will create another group. I will drag these 3 tools inside this group. Then I will press close. Now this is completely a new tab, and inside that tab this 2 is new group, and also there are a few different tools added inside this. If you want, you can also change your group name. I have to right click, go to customize. From here I have to right click on my new group. From here you can see this is name. I can put G1, and for this I will put right click G2. And there are a few other things you can do. If I right click here, you can change your content and style to flow layout. If I want, I can change it to normal. Then if you want to collapse it, all these 3, right click, collapse. And if you want, you can also put any icon for this group. I will give this icon. This is how you can work. So this is now collapsed. I have to select it to get my tools from here. Now let's say I don't want to show any text for this tool. So I will right click on this tool and I will select icon only, and this will show me only icon. If I want, I can show only always icon only, or I can select always icon and text below. Now this tab ASIP cat, I will get that tab inside this tab. This is that new tab I can see here. If I uncheck it, I will not see here. If I want to delete this tab, I have to select this tab, then delete, and if I press yes, it will delete. So this is how you have to create your new tab, also group, and also you can put any tool inside the group.